Is your iPhone running slow, lagging, overheating, or taking forever to load apps? Don't panic. Try these 5 things first, because one of them could instantly speed up your iPhone and improve overall performance. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's get started. This is usually caused by a few common settings or storage problems, and most people never even check them. The fixes work on any iPhone running the latest iOS. First, let's check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, performance can slow down a lot. So you're going to go into your settings, and there you're going to go to General. And here you want to look for iPhone storage and simply click on it. Now, you're going to look for the bar at the top of the screen. It's going to show you how much storage you're actually using, and you'll also see it listed in numbers there. 34 gigabytes out of 128 is what we're using personally, so we're fine. But if yours is on the fuller side, your iPhone can struggle with loading apps, updates, just overall performance. Personally, I recommend having several gigabytes free, at least 10 to be on the safe side. If you have anything less than this, I actually made a video showing you how to clear up storage on your phone, and I'll link that in the comments below. It's important not to just go in and start deleting photos and things because you could end up losing those forever. You see a few recommendations listed here already, like review large attachments that can help you clear up some space. But again, I got a full video. I'll link it in the comments below if you need help with that. Next, we're going to talk force restarting your iPhone. And this is different from a normal shutdown, and it can fix temporary software glitches that make your iPhone feel slow or unresponsive. Most people get it wrong because they press and hold the volume up button and then they hold the volume down button as if they're turning the volumes up. But the trick to this is it has to be done very quickly. On the left side of your iPhone, where your volume buttons are, you're going to quickly press the volume up and then immediately go to the volume down button. And on the right side, you're going to press and hold your power button. So basically, you're going to do it at this speed. You're going to go volume up, down, and then hold. Once again, it's just volume up, down, and then hold the power button and continue to hold the power button. You're probably going to see the power off slider at first, which is fine. Just keep holding the power button on the right side until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. At that time, you can let go. And what this does is it forces the iOS to fully restart the system processes, and it can help fix freezing, lagging, apps hanging, touchscreen issues, and random slowdowns. A lot of people are surprised how often a forced restart actually fixes weird performance related problems. I actually recommend doing it once a week. Third, let's check background app refresh. A lot of apps constantly refresh in the background, even when you're not actively using them. So go into your settings first, and then we're going to go to General, and then Background App Refresh. This can use your battery, data, memory, and system resources in the background. At the top, you have an option where you can turn it off altogether completely by just tapping off. But I like to personally keep a few on, like financial apps or navigation apps. Um, but you can do either or. It's personal preference. Honestly, most people, if you turned everything off, wouldn't notice a difference other than better battery life and better performance. Fix 4, and this one surprises a lot of people, but some VPNs can absolutely destroy your iPhone's performance. One minute your phone's working fine, and the next you're ready to throw it out the window. Let's check it here. So go into your settings, and we're going to go to General, and we're going to scroll down and look for VPN and device management. We currently aren't using one, but if you are, you'll see it listed here. And if your iPhone is suddenly feeling slow, delayed, laggy, or websites and apps are taking forever to load, your VPN could actually be the reason, and here's why. VPNs route all your traffic through another server before it reaches the internet. So if that server's overloaded, unstable, or just low quality, your entire iPhone can fill off. So if you're seeing a VPN listed here, I'd actually recommend deleting the app and then removing the profile completely. To do that, you'll just tap the eye icon and it should give you an option to delete the VPN. After the app and VPN is gone, I'd take it one step further and reset your network settings just to make sure those VPN configurations are fully removed from your iPhone. So, to do that, just go back to the very beginning of the settings and I'll walk you through those steps. So, we're going to go to General and then we're going to look for Transfer or Reset iPhone at the bottom. And here we're going to hit Reset. Now, before you do anything, remember that to connect to your Wi Fi again, you will need to know that password because you're about to reset network settings. So go ahead, click Reset Network Settings, and test your phone again after it restarts. And if that iPhone performance improves, great. It was the VPN causing the issue. Finally, make sure your iPhone is updated. And this is one most people take for granted. You think, well, I have automatic updates on, or I just did an update. But keep in mind, Apple constantly releases updates that fix bugs, lag, battery drain, and security problems. So to check for this, go to your settings and then go to General and then Software Update. If you have one available, it'll show you that it's available. Here you can see that ours is currently up to date. But if your iPhone's been acting weird lately, updating your device is absolutely worth doing. I do always recommend backing up your iPhone first to iCloud or your computer, then installing the update while you're connected to Wi Fi and a charger. A lot of weird issues are resolved by updating your iOS. Now, keep in mind, if an update was just released, sometimes it's smart to wait a few days to see if people are reporting issues with it first, and then that gives Apple time to patch any major issues before you update. So the trick is keeping your phone updated, but not necessarily rushing into updates immediately. That's usually the sweet spot. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for future simple solutions. Thanks for watching the Fix Desk, and I'll see you in the next one.